Welcome to our channel, English with NS. Today we will learn about mixed conditionals and how to make mixed conditionals. First of all, let's clear the concept of conditional. A conditional in grammar is a sentence or clause that expresses a condition, often using if. It describes something that might happen or could be true, depending on a certain situation. For example, if it rains, we will stay inside. The first part, if it rains, is the condition, and the second part, we will stay inside, is the result. Now, let's define what is mixed conditional. A mixed conditional is a type of conditional sentence where the time in the if clause and the time in the main clause are different. For example, if she had taken the job offer, she would be living in New York now. You can see that first part of the sentence, if she had taken the job offer, belongs to past, while second part is the present result of that past condition. So, we mix different times, past and present, to show how one affects the other. Now, we will discuss the 6 types of mixed conditionals. First one is past condition, present result. Or we can say, how something in the past affects the something in present. For this we will use if, past perfect, subject, would, verb. If I had gone to bed earlier, I wouldn't be so tired now. In this sentence, the condition, if I had gone to bed earlier, refers to something that didn't happen in the past. The result, I wouldn't be so tired now, refers to the present situation. The idea is that because I didn't go to bed early in the past, I am feeling tired in the present. The condition in the past has a direct effect on how things are now. The second type we have is past condition, future result. Or we can say, how something in the past is going to affect something in future. For this, we use if, past perfect, subject, would be verb with ing. If she had worked harder, she would be graduating next week. This basically means that she didn't work hard enough, and that is why she is not graduating next week. Next type is present condition, past result. Or we can say that how something that is true now affected something in the past. For this, we have if, past tense, subject, would have past participle. If I had a car, I would have driven to work yesterday. That means, I don't have a car, and that is why I did not drive to work yesterday. Fourth mixed condition is present condition with future result, which means how something that is true right now affects the future. For this we use if, past tense, subject, would, verb. If I were not sick, I would go with you this evening. This means that I am sick, and that is the reason why I would not be going with you. Our fifth mixed conditional is future condition, past result. Means how something in future affected something in past. For this we have if, past tense, subject, would have past participle. For example, if she did not have an exam next week, she would have come shopping with us yesterday. It means that she didn't come with us yesterday for shopping because she has an exam next week. This is how some future event can affect the past event. Our last mixed conditional is future condition with present result. Means how something in future affects something in the present. For this we have if past tense, subject would be verb ing. For example, if I were not going on vacation next week, I would not be so busy right now. It means the reason I am so busy right now is that I am going on vacation next week. So I am busy in preparation. These conditionals are flexible. There are a lot of things we can do with these. Today, we explored the 6 types of mixed conditionals, understanding how past, present, and future conditions can affect different outcomes. Don't forget to stay updated on more grammar lessons. See you next time. Thanks for watching. If you liked our video, please like, subscribe and also press the bell icon. Plus, don't forget to comment and share.